Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Deutsch. In this German for Beginners A1 course, lesson 16, we're going to learn how to say how are you and also how to reply to this question formally and informally. I'm your mentor Joseph Volt who will be with you, and together we will try to learn. And before we proceed, this video will show you the way to learn about asking how are you in formal and informal way. You will also learn to respond to the question in formal and informal way too. Besides, we will also learn 3 new words which are very important in Deutsch dialects. So first of all, to ask how are you, formally we have to say wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? But when we say how are you in informal way, we have to say wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? Another form in colloquial or familiar way is Wigatz. Wigatz. Now, to answer to this question, we may say I'm fine, thanks, and you? In formal way, we have to say mir geht es gut, danke, und Ihnen? Mir geht es gut, danke, und Ihnen? And in informal way, we would say mir geht es gut, danke, und dir? Mir geht es gut, danke, und dir? And now the answers can be either I am also fine, thanks, danke, mir geht es auch gut, or I feel very well, mir geht es sehr gut, mir geht es sehr gut, or it can simply be I am okay, es geht, es geht. Or negatively you can say I don't feel well, mir geht es nicht so gut, mir geht es nicht so gut. And today we learn 3 new words. And first one is ja, which means yes, nein, which means no, and vielleicht, which means maybe. Maybe. And notes. Please practice more and more with someone and get used to with it. In our next video, you will learn how to say where are you from and how to respond to it. And we hope you all will be with German Lehrer and watch our next video. Please subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss.